Portable performs in the middle of a river in Port-harcourt. Nigerian singer Habib Akikiola, popularly known as Portable, performed in Port-harcourt, Rivers State. Portable, who has been performing from one concert to another in 2022, had performed for his fans inside a river in the state. He was shocked and cried out shouting, "Wahala, wahala, wahala," as the stage was set on top of water. I was shocked also when I saw Portable heading to a stage constructed on top of a river, and there were so many fans around. Some were even inside the water shouting and dancing to his song. He's the first Nigerian artist to hold a show inside the river. He shared a video from the event which showed people inside the water vibing along as he sang and danced. Guys, enjoy the video.
My people, I'm ready. Hello, my neighbor. How are you doing? Are you feeling okay? Is you feeling okay? That's why I'm okay. I don't do okay. What? I don't know what I do. I come for that and carry me go. I don't know what I do. There's no money, there's no go. Now don't want to carry me go. See where I go? I don't know where I'm over. See people, billion people, 100 billion people. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't hear anything. I don't hear Wahala. You don't get money. Oh, go kill you. You go there. You go there. It's a little.